deny. Udayan Mukherjee caught up with Caeser Massry, who's the head of emerging market equity research at Goldman Sachs, to know his views on the emerging markets as well as on India.
And our view strategically on EM has been quite cautious, certainly so on the equity side of things, which tend to be the most growth sensitive. So I put a couple numbers behind that. The MSCI EM index has been in a very fat but flat range over the past several years. We're back to 2009 levels, and the fundamental driver behind that, growth or earnings, have gone from $100 to $70. So you've had a decline in growth, and ultimately that's what would drive a sustained rally in EM. I think fair value for MSCI EM is 870, so a little bit above where we are today. There's still a little bit of room, but I would not expect a rally to begin today like the one we saw earlier this year. I think India is a bit of an exceptional case, probably in a good way, in so much as you've had a big shift in domestic sentiment, to some extent a reform story I think that people have been quite optimistic on. But when you look at the actual growth numbers, and really over the last couple of years, you've had an accelerating trajectory, and that's really unique among the emerging world. So we're quite favorably positioned on India, an overweight view, one of our favorite emerging markets, and I think that story can continue.
All right, that was an interesting conversation, and remember, you can catch this exclusive interview all day today only on CNBC TV 18.